Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep, homeopathy consultant. In our channel, I will be taking up the topics related to homeopathy, academic interest and practical interest. If you are a homeopathic student, if you are a homeopathic doctor, beginning practitioner, please subscribe my channel. So in our channel, I will be uploading the videos, 2 to 3 videos in a week. So today's subject is friends, sulfur. So I already put one video on sulfur, generalizing all the mental aspect and the very keynote of sulfur symptoms. Today I will be dealing with the sulfur, remaining part of the sulfur, where I have left very important keynote symptoms or how the sulfur patient presents. So sulfur has a very peculiar system of throwing the symptoms from center to circumference. So whenever there is a sulfur patient you are dealing with, the patient will be having the symptoms from center to circumference. This is centrifugal in nature. So all psoric people, all psoric miasmatic people are throwing the symptoms from center to periphery. So this is one of the very important symptom of sulfur. So another one aspect is the sulfur patients are ragged philosophers. So this is one of the word you will be reading in the Materia Medica, ragged philosopher. So he is a philosopher in himself, sulfur patient. So he will be asking so many questions. So if you answer also, he will rise up with another one more question to make you irritable. So like that, the sulfur patients, if you come across, they will be going on asking you a series of questions. So this is one of the very important symptom of sulfur, because this sulfur has a keen observing mind and it has a hopeful mind. Due to that reason, they will be going on asking many questions which does not have bottom or head or bottom. So these are the things which you must note in the sulfur patient. Sulfur has an inability to learn the languages. So he has a very much weakness to learn the languages. This is one of the very trademark of the sulfur. So he will be good in other subjects, but languages he is very weak. So another one mental aspect of sulfur is reading medical books. Mania to read medical books is very strong in sulfur. So the sulfur people will be having more medical knowledge, or they will be taking themselves Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani or any other medicines with the own knowledge, whatever they have and whatever they have read in the books. This is one of the very trademark of sulfur patients. Fear of school is one of the very much important symptom in sulfur. Basically, all psoric people has a fear in themselves, but in the sulfur that is marked, and the children's or the child will be very fearful to go to the school. It is one of the very much important symptom of sulfur. Periodicity is very well marked in sulfur. That is 11 a.m. emptiness in the stomach. That is one of the periodicity present in the sulfur. And at the climacteric period, the patient will be aggravated. So this is one of the very much symptom observed in the sulfur patients. All the symptoms will be aggravated at the climacteric period or menopausal period. This is one of the periodicity of sulfur. And another one very important periodicity of sulfur is whenever there is a full moon, the symptoms will be aggravated. All the symptoms will be aggravated. This is one of the very important symptom of sulfur. This is about the periodicity of sulfur. So as I talked about this inquisitive nature of the sulfur, he will be inquiring about his own disease. He will be inquiring about his own treatment. He will be inquiring about many things which he is interested in, which is related to him or not related to him. There is a very much in his mind inquisitive nature in himself. That is one of the very important feature of a very PQRS symptom which sulfur will be producing is bunghole diarrhea. So if you come to the local organs or the particular organs, so sulfur has all the features what we have discussed in the previous video, that is he will be having burning hole diarrhea. This bung hole diarrhea is a very peculiar feature of sulfur. And another one very important feature of sulfur is, so whenever he puts the legs to the ground, he immediately want to go to the bowel movements, or he immediately want to empty his bowels. This is one of the very trademark of sulfur. So sulfur is very hot in his nature, and he has a burning soles, as I have already told you. So these are all the features of sulfur. I totally summarized in the first video and in this video about the sulfur. So if you have any doubts about sulfur, please let me know in the comment section, so that we will take up much more about this sulfur. Thank you, friends.